Yeah, sorry for late. There is some
It's okay, sir.
problem with the
Mm-hmm.
login system, so I rebooted my
Oh,
laptop.
okay. No problem, sir. Mm-hmm.
Yep.
So now, sir, what article would you like us to discuss? Or you want to have us free talking?
I'd like to discuss the article number 1212,
12, 12. Okay.
the
Oh,
hair raising.
I want to know this.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, if you've ever wondered why we get goosebumps, we are in good company. So, this Charles Darwin, who mused about them in his writing on evolution, goosebumps might protect animals with a thick fur from the cold, but we humans don't seem to benefit from the reaction much. So, why has it been preserved during evolution all this time? In a new study, Harvard University scientists have discovered the reason. The cell types that cause goosebumps are also important for regulating the stem cells that regenerate the hair follicle and hair. Underneath the skin, the muscle that contract to create goosebumps is necessary to bridge the sensitive nerve connection to hair
Mm-hmm.
follicle stem cells. The sympathetic nerve reactions to cold by contraction the muscles and causing goosebumps in the short term, and by
Mm-hmm.
driving hair follicle stem cell activation and new hair growth over the long term. Published in the journal Cell, these findings in mice give researchers a better understanding of how different cell types interact to link stem cell activity with changes in the outside environment. We have always been interested in understanding how stem cell
Mm-hmm.
behaves regulated by external stimuli. The skin
Mm-hmm.
is
Stimuli, sir.
a
Mm-hmm.
stimuli.
Yes.
The skin is a fascinating system. It has multiple stem cells surrounded by diverse cell types and is located at the interface between our body and the outside world. Therefore, each stem cell could potentially respond to a diverse array of stimuli, from the niche, the whole body, or
Mm-hmm.
even the outside environment, said Yache Hu, the
Mm-hmm.
Irving and Star Associate Professor of Stem Cell and Regenerative Biology, who led the study in collaboration with Professor Songjian Lin of National Taiwan University. In this
Mm-hmm.
study, we identify an interesting dual component niche that not only regulates the stem cells on the steady state, but also modulates stem cell behaviors according to temperature changes outside. That's all.
Wow. Wow, it is very scientific.
Yes, right.
Yes, sir. I thought they will provide a layman's term explanation so we can understand why. Mm-hmm.
Yes, right.
What about you, Sir Tay?
Yeah.
Do you always have goosebumps?
Mm, no, I don't have goosebumps always. But when I
Mm-hmm.
cold or when I feel nervous, then I have goosebumps.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. We are the same. When I feel nervous, I have goosebumps and then I sweat.
Yeah.
I sweat a lot. Okay, so let's proceed, sir.
Yeah.
comprehension question number one.
Number one, who mused about goosebumps in his writing on evolution? Mm, Charles Darwin, who mused about them in his writing on evolution.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Charles Darwin.
Yes, Charles Darwin.
Yeah. So, okay, number two. Hello? Hello?
Certain?
Okay,
Number two.
number two. What is important for
Mm-hmm.
regulating the stem
Mm-hmm.
cells? Mm,
Mm-hmm.
Important. So, the cell types of the cell types that cause goosebumps are also important for regulating the stem cells that regenerate the hair fossil and hair follicle and hair.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because the stem
Mm-hmm.
cells regenerate the hair follicle and hair.
Yes, very good, sir. And what about you, Sir Tay? Do you have a lot of hair on your hands or on your legs?
No, I only have fine hair on my arm and legs, and
Mm-hmm.
then I
Oh.
think I have less than normal guys hair. Hair.
Mm-hmm. Wow, you are very lucky, sir. You are not a hairy guy.
Yes,
I
I
can
don't
also
need
see
to
that. Mm-hmm.
yeah get hair removal treatment because
Yes.
some guys are suffering from lots of not only guys also girls are suffering
Yes,
from lots of
sir.
hair, so they have to get hair removal
Mm-hmm.
treatment regularly.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. And now, sir, last one, number three.
What regulates stem cell behavior?
Mm-hmm.
Mm, the regulate. Okay. Okay. External stimuli regulate stem cells behavior.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. So, have you heard about the stem cell therapy, sir? They say that it's effective to have a healthy body.
Yes, right. Actually, stem cell treatment or some pharmaceutical companies use the stem cell as a medical purpose. But
Mm-hmm.
I've never got any stem cell treatment. But
Mm-hmm.
as for the aesthetic purpose, stem cell treatment is, I think, it's very effective.
Yes, sir. You are right. But my cousin, sir, he underwent stem cell therapy, but it did not have an effect because he is paralyzed and
Ah,
nothing is improved.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
right. So there are long and lots of hurdles to use the
Mm-hmm.
stem cell as a medical purpose.
Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. Okay, sir. Let's proceed to the discussion questions.
Okay, number one.
Mm-hmm.
Have you
Mm-hmm.
ever experienced having goosebumps? Share your experience. Yeah, as I mentioned when I feel cold, and also when I watch the scary movie, then I
Mm-hmm.
can feel goosebumps.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what is the scariest movie that you've watched, Sir Tay?
For Koreans, we have a Korean style ghost, and then we have
Mm-hmm.
lots of Korean ghost stories. And then
Mm-hmm.
when I was young,
Mm-hmm.
uh, one drama is a very famous Korean drama. It
Mm-hmm.
aired a scary story every week.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So when I was
You always
young,
watch.
yes, right. And then there is some ghost, and then also some stories are still in
Mm-hmm.
my mind.
Mm. Oh, you can still remember.
Yes,
Wow.
right. So when I was young, even though I'm watching that drama, then I should
Mhm.
cover my eyes and then ears during watching that.
Oh no, that's really scary, sir, if you are
Yeah.
really doing that. And I am really admiring you that you can still remember some stories because maybe if it was me, I will forget all the scenes.
Yes, right.
Okay, thank you, Sir Tay. And now, number two.
Number two, do you think that having goosebumps is weird? Why or why not? I don't think that having goosebumps is weird because
Mhm.
I know the mechanism of goosebumps already. I knew that.
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
the muscles, very small muscle around the
Mhm.
hair follicle that support
Mhm.
goosebumps, and then it control the hair erection or not. So
Mhm.
sometimes you use to control your body temperature or used to your sweating.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Oh, very
So
good, sir. Because if you, mhm.
yeah. Anyway, the mechanism is very interesting.
Mhm. I agree with you, sir. If you already know the process that is happening in the body, you will not
Yeah.
find it weird.
Yes, right,
Mhm.
exactly.
Yes, sir. And last one, Sir Tay.
Number three, have you ever felt goosebumps when you heard very good music? How can this be related to the article?
Mhm.
So, in my memory, I've never felt goosebumps when I heard very good music. Never.
Mhm. Oh,
So, I don't know
okay.
which mechanism makes the goosebumps with the good music.
Yes, sir. Me too. I think
Yeah,
when I hear good music, I dance, I
yeah,
nod my head, or I follow the beat, but I won't feel goosebumps.
yeah, right.
What is your favorite type of music, Sir Tay?
My favorite type of music hip hop,
Mhm.
and then sometimes I like ballad.
Ah, hip hop and ballad.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Mhm.
And also
Sir
my
Tay, we only
yeah,
have. Mhm. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
we only have two class. Yeah, this is our last class.
Go, sir.
Actually, today is not a Sparta event for me. I just yeah want to have a class with you. So that's why I
Oh.
only reserved two classes.
Okay, sir. I thought you are also joining the event. That's why I am hoping to see you more. But then I checked. Oh no, it's our last class.
Yes, right. So sometimes, yeah, 10 classes a day are very hard for me. So
Mhm.
even though I gave up some benefit from the Sparta event, I think
Mhm.
two or three classes with you would be better for me.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
I would love to see you, sir, every week. I was waiting for you for the past few weeks, and then I
Yeah.
cannot see you, so I think, oh, maybe Sir Tay is busy.
Okay. So hope to see you again next week.
Yes, sir. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, Sir Tay.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.